Mix the steps for mixing liquid pesticide concentrate with Pesti Smart Pest Plan into a clear, safe sequence that ensures potency and even coverage. Begin by confirming the kit contents and reading the product label for the concentrate and the Pesti Smart Pest Plan bag instructions, noting any site-specific restrictions or personal protective equipment requirements. With clean, gloved hands, pour the full contents of the liquid pesticide concentrate into the disposable mixing bag, keeping the bag upright and steady to avoid spills. Next, fill the now empty concentrate bottle with clean water and pour that water into the bag, repeating the rinse and fill process a total of 3 times to capture residual active ingredient from the bottle walls. Seal the bag securely, then invert and shake it vigorously for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, stretching the bag and folding it to break surface tension so the concentrate emulsifies uniformly in the water. Visually inspect the mixture for homogeneity, looking for streaks, undissolved droplets, or separation. If any appear, reseal and agitate again until the solution is consistent. Transfer the mixed solution into the application container following the kit directions, disposing of the empty concentrate bottle and bag according to label and local hazardous waste instructions. Common mistakes include failing to rinse the concentrate bottle thoroughly, which reduces applied active ingredient and wastes product. So always perform 3 full rinses and add those rinses to the bag. Another frequent error is inadequate shaking, which leaves concentrated pockets that cause uneven coverage or phytotoxic spots. So agitate the sealed bag until the mixture looks uniform before transferring. People also skip personal protective equipment or ignore label directions, which risks exposure and legal non-compliance, so wear the recommended gloves and eye protection and follow label dosages and restricted entry intervals. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like applying Pesti Smart Pest Plan by helping people find local professionals and post-project needs. We host an active discussion community where members share tips, experiences, and contractor recommendations related to pest control and safe pesticide handling.